Hello students, welcome to the revision video of class 10th. In this video, we will discuss the very first topic of chapter number 12 electricity, that is electric potential and potential difference. In brief, we will revise this topic. So let's begin with the class. The very first topic is electric potential. What basically this electric potential is, now we will discuss that. The electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Now let us suppose you are having a unit positive charge. Let us suppose this is your unit positive charge. So some area around this positive charge will be its electric field. If another charge particle is present at this point, if you want to bring that particle from that point of infinity to any point in this field of this another charge particle, then we need to do some amount of work, and that amount of work done is known as your electric potential. Now what basically electric potential, how we can represent this electric potential in mathematical form. Electric potential could be written as work done, that is W, divided by quantity of charge moved. So the formula of electric potential is V is equals to W by Q. If we talk about the SI unit of electric potential, that is named after the scientist who discovered it. That is, the SI unit of electric potential is volt. Mathematically, 1 volt is equals to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. We can define this SI unit also. We can define 1 volt as, 1 volt is the electric potential when 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge. That means when you will do 1 joule of work done in moving 1 coulomb of charge, then electric potential is said to be 1 volt. If we talk about potential difference, so again, if we are having a charge particle, this is the electric field. If a charge particle is present at this point, if you want to bring this charge particle from that point to another point, then also we have to do some amount of work, and that amount of work done is known as potential difference. So how we can define this potential difference? The potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point inside the field of another charged particle. If we talk in terms of formula, in the mathematical expression for potential difference, so again that is equal to work done divided by quantity of charge. And one more formula is there. If we know the potential of those 2 points, then we can subtract them and we will get the potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference and electric potential will remain same, that is volt. And mathematically we already have discussed what basically 1 volt is. This potential difference commonly known by the word voltage. Now, how we can measure this potential difference? We can measure this potential difference using an instrument which is known as voltmeter. And voltmeter is always connected in parallel because of its high resistance. Now, let's discuss numericals based on electric potential. The very first numerical is, what potential difference is required to do 100 joule of work to carry a charge of 10 coulomb between 2 points. That means in this question, work done is given as 100 joule and the quantity of charge is given as 10 coulomb. And we have to calculate the potential difference. Now what basically is given, first of all we'll mention that thing. Work done is 100 joule, quantity of charge moved is 10 coulomb, and we have to determine the potential difference. Now we all know that potential difference could be calculated using the formula V is equals to W by Q, where W and Q both are known to us. So directly we will substitute the values in the formula, and on doing the calculation we will come with our answer, that is the potential difference comes to be 10 volt. Next question, Calculate the work done in moving a charge of 4 coulomb from a point at 220 volt to another point at 230 volt. In this question, potential difference is not given, rather the potential at 2 points separately is given and the quantity of charge is given. So what we will do here, charge is given. So first of all, using these two value of electric potential, first of all we will calculate potential difference. We know that potential difference could be calculated by subtracting these two potential. On subtracting it, we will get it to be 10 volt. So from this we get that potential difference is 10 volt and the charge is 4 coulombs. We have to determine the electric potential. So using the formula, we will solve this question. On substituting the values in it, we will get our answer, that is 40 joule. So this was about this numerical. Now let's discuss worksheet. This worksheet is given for the practice. Now that's all about the topic, and you all have to revise this topic with the help of this worksheet. Thank you.